Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we have peanut butter. So much peanut butter that you can't tell my mom that I took some of her peanut butter because she might get a little bit mad. But that's okay, we're gonna run with it anyways. So today's goal is we're gonna see how much peanut butter it takes to stop a bullet or catch a bullet, whichever happens. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna first test my wonderful AR. Look at it, isn't it so beautiful? I love it. We're gonna see how many peanut butters it takes to stop a bullet. Check it out. Hey guys, so I did say we're gonna do the AR-15 first, but I wanna see what the 22 will do. Right now I got 4 peanut butters lined up, ready to go. I just wanna see what the 22 will do. Place your bets on how much peanut butter will be required to stop a 22 bullet in the comments below, and we'll see who wins. If I can get a bullet out. Here we go. All right, so it looks like went through 1, made a giant mess. Went through 2. Oh, solid 2. Got a little peanut butter on me. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Right, y'all. And it stopped. Stopped on the second one. So it looks like it takes 2 peanut butter cans to stop a 22 bullet. Look at that, 22. Not bad. I'm having a problem with them rolling off, so might as well put this peanut butter to somewhat good use. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Alright, let's see how that goes. Stop. Stop. Hey, it works like glue. You guys ready for this? We have 10 lined up, ready to go, and I used the peanut butter you saw, yeah, to hold it down. We got 10. We're gonna see if my AR can shoot through all of them. Place your bets where you think it'll stop with the peanut butter. All right, here goes nothing. Three, 2, 1. Oh, that's nasty. Oh my gosh. It literally got peanut butter everywhere. It got it on my phone. I'm sorry, phone. It got it. Oh, we should have moved this crap. This is all peanut buttered. But go figure. Guys, check this out. It literally took out 2, I think. That's it. It didn't even touch this one or any of them for that matter. Here's another one. Oh, I got peanut butter all over my feet now. But it made a giant mess though. Look. There's peanut butter everywhere. I'm a little bit sad. Oh well. In the name of science, we do this. Well guys, that really surprised me, I'm not gonna lie. I would have thought it would have gone through like 8 instead of like, I'm kind of scared of where the bullet did go. Like it's, like I can't find it anywhere. Like no bullet didn't hit that. I don't know where it went, but still it was pretty cool going everywhere. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my channel. Go ahead and hit the like button if you liked it. If you want to see something else, like test to see what it can shoot through, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time.